Hey guys, welcome to another mini vlog of us in Korea. Today we are going to Xenia Clinic Gangnam for some treatments. The clinic is so aesthetically pleasing and the staff here are super helpful and polite. After a quick consultation, they addressed all our concerns.
So what do you suggest, like
Press down your chin like that? Or can you turn to the side for me? I would personally recommend getting the face line done so that you have more contour to face line.
okay.
Uses a machine to like suck out any of the gums that you have. And it's a really gentle peeling that most of the our clients get. Right? Inmode affects one area on the face line.
Okay.
Scars. So that is one of my concerns, but I recently got jewel look done. So I was also thinking if I could do something like my face looks dull, so maybe something which could be a little more brightening, hydrating. So for today, Anisha is getting aqua peel and inmode for her jawline and double chin. And I'm getting aqua peel and vitamin whitening care, which is a simple yet non-invasive procedure.
This is inmode effects for your face line and double chin.
Okay.
You can feel hot sensation.
Okay, that's fine. Okay. Should I get up?
Wait a minute.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Painful नहीं था, just warm effect था and suck कर रहा था fat को, so बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. I was like हाँ relaxing भी है, so I hope जितने भी fat है वो चला जाए. So I'm so happy. Okay. So now we are moving to our next step, which is aqua peeling.
The staff took great care of our comfort all through and the process was absolutely painless.
When I look deep into your eyes,
The results were instantly visible and we had absolutely no downtime. We had a flight that evening and we had no discomfort at all. We would totally want to go back here. For more such vlogs and recommendations, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye!
when I